Derek Underwood, Regional Vice President, North America for Cambium Networks. Service providers are looking for ways to deliver high capacity solutions to underserved markets more cost effectively than ever and quickly. The wireless ISP community has changed significantly. We're starting to see wireless ISPs go into areas that are much more densely populated to compete with the incumbent cable and telephone operators. So we're definitely seeing with the newer technology and higher capacities the ability for wireless ISPs to compete in other places. Another area that we're seeing wireless ISPs change quite a bit is in their reaching into the managed service provider space, where they're starting to extend that connectivity from the subscriber module into the business, into the home using Wi-Fi technology. And it's an alternative revenue stream. It increases their top line revenue without having to go out and secure new customers. I think the biggest reason that service providers choose Cambium is reliability, the support that Cambium offers, the innovation that Cambium's delivered on to the wireless ISP customers for many years has really given them an unfair competitive play in the marketplace, competitive advantage. We also hear a lot from our service providers that Cambium offers them so many different technologies to do the job. We're a horses for courses company. When you look at the portfolio that Cambium offers, from backhaul to access technology to the injection layer, Cambium offers so many different technologies that wireless ISPs find places to put Cambium. It's a simple migration. You don't have to migrate everything at one time. We also are starting to offer planning services and software services that work across multiple vendors and multiple technologies. Connecting in unconnected and underserved markets is certainly something that we all can get behind and feel good about. CambiumNetworks.com is a great place to start. We're pretty easy to get a hold of.